thank Khan sir and other faculties in KSG for giving me this opportunity. And I thank Khan sir for meeting some of my friends who will be joining me in FC this year, and some of my senior civil servants who would be to meet them. And pardon me if my speeches was because it's my first stage, so I'll be not that good as people who come before me and also the one who's after me. And one thing I'd like to start that last year, the same time, the same seminar, I was the one sitting there. So I was listening to the toppers talk and I got inspired because that was the last one was my first attempt. And after clearing prelims, I was not aware of anything. Like, I don't know how to start a mains answer writing. Like, then I thought that I would go there and get some insights. And I was a plain paper. So before joining the test series also, then through the input of my seniors and through input of Khan sir, I gradually improved. So one thing I would say, please don't hesitate to write test. People used to say they'll join test series, but then people will say that I'll postpone the test, I'll write every test at the last moment. So I'll prepare everything at first. But tomorrow never comes in UPSC. And nobody writes, because see, nobody writes UPSC with the full knowledge. Nobody will know each and every point in the syllabus. So UPSC is like you gain experience by doing a lot of blunders, lot of wrong things. And to quote, my first test series mark, like still I remember my marks in my very first test in KSG is 51. Like, I am not hesitate to say that also. It's 51. And gradually I improved. I'm ranked 21 this year. So this improvement I showed because of the test series. So please be sure that this mains test series is very important. Prelims is a different ball game and mains is different. There are a lot of toppers in prelims who didn't even clear mains. So mains, you need to be specific. Any issues, please don't beat around the bush. UPSC is asking a question with some intention. So get the core of the question and write to the point. And you need not be that, if they ask 200 words, you need not be that much accurate with 200 words exactly. You can be 180, 190 also. But try finishing the paper. Finishing the paper is one important aspect of clearing the mains examination. And I don't have anything very specific to say, but I wish all of you a very good luck. And last year I was there and I'm here this year. And next year I wish you everybody should come to the stage and speak like this. Thank you.